Show, not tell. Elaborate. And how?
Stuck with low composition marks in school and not sure how to improve? For many children, English isn't hard. The feedback just isn't clear.
Meet Playright, an online platform with instant feedback to support your child's PSLE English learning. From writing and grammar to listening and oral, everything your child needs in one place. For composition, Playwright guides your child before they even start writing.
Guiding questions help them plan their ideas before they start writing. They can also upload photos of handwritten compositions, whatever works best. Instead of vague comments, your child sees what to improve, why it matters, and how to fix it, step by step. Now that seems better. If your child gets nervous speaking out loud, they're not alone. Playwright helps by offering oral practice across many different topics. Now, let's hear our Playwright student tackle this question.
I think that the elderly is feeling worried as the doctor is checking whether he has any sickness.
With clear feedback and more practice, confidence grows naturally. Playwright also has weekly challenges, so practice doesn't stop after one good day. Students build streaks, stay consistent, and get better week by week. You can also easily track your child's progress over time, so you know what they've practiced and how they're improving. So, what are you waiting for? Join thousands of happy parents and students at Playright today.